Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm for the Boysenberry Festival, and I went to the churro factory to get their beignets with the boysenberry sugar on them. This is $9, not on the meal plan, not on the card, just a separate item. And then I'm joined by Vince the Hat Man.
Hey guys, how you doing?
So he's going to come with me in the review.
This journey? Okay.
And we tried some beignets at JD Flannel Donuts. So we're going to see how good they are.
It's my fault that video's not out yet, by the way, but we'll get it out. We'll compare it. But there's no dipping sauce.
Yeah, this one has no dipping sauce. Okay. It's just the boysenberry sugar.
Okay.
So let me cut open one. See how they look.
Oh, is there
mangling
in the
them.
middle?
I don't think so. No.
Okay.
It's just the boysenberry sugar on them, and they're.
Looks good.
Is there something in the middle?
Is there something inside?
Or is that just? I think that's just the dough.
So you guess you can kind of pat it in your sugar too to get a
little you get more
of the boysenberry sugar.
Okay.
You can see that.
Let's try it out.
Okay, Janice, ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. That's good.
Yeah. Much better than their churros usually are.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of their churros, but these are good. They're still warm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they must have just made them.
This is good. Yeah, these are good. And you get 6? No, 5.
5.
5. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're light and fluffy inside.
Yeah, I think the beignets themselves in the JD Flannel probably about the same, you think?
Yeah, I think they're similar. I wish they had the
that
sauce. The JD
jam
Flannel
that JD Flannel had was excellent.
It was like almost like a compote, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't like a sweet sauce, but it was.
If they put like a container of boysenberry sauce, it would elevate this more.
I agree. It's still good, but I think it would be better with a little bit of boysenberry something, like a little sauce or something to dip it in. But they're good. I think they're really good.
Yeah, they're very crunchy on the outside. They're fluffy on the inside. So yeah.
And I think the key with these is that they're fresh.
Yeah.
Seems like, are they making them fresh right now and not letting them?
Seems to be.
Sit. Although the ones we had from JD Flannels I don't think, were those warm?
Well, we kind of left them to last.
Oh, we did. That's right. Yeah, we did.
We did like 9 other reviews before we got to those.
These were good. I'll take one more bite with you. Oh,
oops.
Sorry.
So yeah.
All right.
So what are you going to rate it on your scale?
1 second. Always got to do 2 bites, right? I mean, they're good. They're really good. It's hard because we just have those ones at JD Flannels, which are a little bit the sauce. I'm going to say, I'm going to give it a 5. I mean, if I could do like 4 3/4, if it just had the boysenberry sauce, I think it'd be a complete 5. But it's still really good for Knott's. I like the boysenberry sugar. They're fluffy and soft on the inside. I think the JD Flannels were a little bit better.
Yeah.
These taste a little more, maybe a little more greasy.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
This one actually is flaky.
Yeah.
Kind of like almost
flaky.
like a, what do you call those? Croissant type thing?
Yeah.
So
it's like a phyllo. It's like a phyllo.
I think I'm gonna give him an A.
Yeah. I say 5 too.
But it would have been an A+ if they had like a little container of boysenberry sauce.
Yeah, that would have been nice with a dipping. Yes.
And this one was $9, so you get 5, and they're pretty large, so you could share this, with people.
And are just 10% applies here?
Yeah, I think the 10% applies. So, yeah. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and also check out Vince's channel. We'll have that other video up soon.
Vince the Hat Man.
And then, where was I at? Oh, and click on the notification bell on our channels so that you get notified every time we upload videos.
And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes. And so anyways, I got to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks, Janice, for including me.